Hey, what's up, everybody? Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up, everybody? Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up, everybody? Mike here from Affiliate X. Today we're going to talk about day 44. Just begun. Well, it's not really. It's 11:16. So, younger brother went to work for Amazon just for 2 days, hopefully. My older brother is studying for the exam. I just got done with my Science of Getting Rich. And I'm going to be studying for the electrical code because I'm going to need to understand it when I'm going out there getting estimates or getting sales. Like I need to understand what I'm talking about. So it's important to understand the code. And there's a nifty book that basically outlines from A to Z everything you need to know about starting your own electrical company. So it's beautiful. So both of those things need to be thoroughly understood, and be ready to take, and for me to be able to ready for me to be ready to take a test on it. I can't because I don't have 5 years of experience, and there's other prerequisites too for me to be able to do that. But I really don't care. I just need to understand what it is, how an electrical company functions. And so today we looked up the Dream 100 for the electrical company. So in the city of Columbus, there's a lot of competition between industrial, residential, and commercial, residential, and industrial. Yeah, those are the three things. And some companies do HVAC and electrical. Some companies do basically different things. Our job is to get clear on exactly what's out there in the marketplace, what the offer is. A lot of them just products or services like, hey, we just do electrical, but we can create an offer that's going to be good. And let's see, what else? Yeah, so this whole day, well, this week, we were supposed to make a bunch of money. That way we can just sit back and study for the test. But we realized that we should take the test first because everybody wants a licensed electrician and not just some guy that knows electric. So that's going to be our number one focus. The next 3 weeks are going to be spent on studying every single day. The the um, the the test that we need to pass the exam. Um, okay, I'll see you guys on the second half of the day. I'll let you know how that goes. Yeah, so I'll continue to document my journey on this. What's it called? YouTube channel. Unfortunately, it has nothing to do with affiliate marketing, but it's okay. I feel like money's money. So, and then the things that I learned in running an electrical company, I'm sure will translate into running a company on the internet. Same thing. You still have fulfillment, you still have support, you still have LLC, you still have taxes, you still have all those things. So if anything, I'll be more equipped to go into business that way. So um, that's it. I will see you guys later today. Peace. Peace. Hey, what's up, everybody? I don't have my lighting set up. I do just right here, but it's like I don't have that one set up, so it kind of looks goofy. Anyways, let's talk about today. First, we planned on working all this week, and I kind of touched on this the first part of the day, but I'm gonna talk about it anyways. Wow. We wanted to work all this week. That way we can study for 3 weeks. But we learned that we don't have that much clients, and they kind of trickle in on random. So we'll just place them on the schedule and we'll do them. But most of the time will be spent on focusing on studying the code, electrical code. Two, on how to form a company, electrical company, and three, all the like stupid rules of electricity, like Ohm's law, things like that. So 3 pieces there, a few other ones, and then what we also decided to do is form a Dream 100 of all the electrical companies in Ohio and see how they're functioning and see what they're doing. So that's gonna occupy our focus. So those four or five things, whatever. These things we need to study and focus for. That way we understand. Anyways, I lost you guys. I lost myself. And in the meantime, we'll just work just to make ends meet. Just a few hours here, a few hours there, just to make ends meet. And then the rest of the time we'll be focusing. And hopefully in a month, we're ready to take the test. Once we take the test, we're going to pass the license. And once we have the license, we're going to have so much work. You have no idea. Yeah, we're going to be wiring all houses, and it's like 15K per house. And we should be able to knock it out with 3-4 days. Not bad, not bad. So hopefully I can replace my income from petitions to houses, because I'll be back at 30K a month, which is okay. It's not bad, not bad. and then all that money is going to be dumped right into ads to drive traffic to Spencer Meckham's course. And then so we'll see how that goes. Anyways, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.